Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ice cream popsicles using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of whole milk, and 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. You'll also need your chosen flavorings, like 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure you have your popsicle molds and sticks ready for the next steps. This simple approach ensures a delightful frozen treat. Now, let's combine our base ingredients. Pour the 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of whole milk, and 1/3 cup of sugar into a medium bowl. Whisk everything together thoroughly until the sugar is completely dissolved and the mixture is smooth. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, gently fold in your chosen flavorings, perhaps a 1/4 cup of fruit puree or a few tablespoons of mini chocolate chips, for that perfect taste. With your flavored mixture ready, it's time to fill the molds. Carefully pour the ice cream base into each popsicle mold, leaving about 1/4 inch of space at the top to allow for expansion. Next, insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold. Ensure the sticks are straight. Place the filled molds into your freezer and let them solidify for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or preferably overnight, for best results. Once your popsicles are completely frozen, it's time to enjoy them. To easily remove them from the molds, briefly run the bottom of each mold under warm water for about 10 to 15 seconds. Gently pull on the stick, and your delicious homemade treat should slide right out. Serve them immediately for the best experience. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.